Welcome to Tool Mentorship, your ultimate guide to finding the best tools for your DIY and professional needs. If you're in the market for the best budget wood routers that combine affordability, precision, and versatility, this video is just for you. Whether you're a seasoned carpenter or a weekend hobbyist, having the right wood router can make all the difference in your woodworking projects. Today we'll explore 5 of the most sought-after wood routers available on Amazon: the Makita RT0701C, Avid Power 6.5-amp router, Bosch PR20EVS Router, Enertwist ET-RT-710S Compact Router, and the WEN RT6033. Each of these tools offers unique features tailored to meet different needs, from crafting intricate designs to achieving clean edges. Stick around to discover the pros, cons, and standout features of each product. And don't forget, the links to these products are in the description box and pinned comment for your convenience. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more in-depth tool reviews. Let's get started. Makita RT0701C Compact Router. The Makita RT0701C is a compact yet powerful wood router that's a favorite among professionals and hobbyists alike. With a robust 1.25 HP motor and variable speed control ranging from 10,000 to 30,000 RPM, it's perfect for detailed and precise cuts on a variety of materials. The aluminum motor housing ensures long-lasting durability, while the smooth depth adjustment system allows for effortless precision, making it ideal for tasks like edge trimming, furniture building, and decorative molding. Its ergonomic design reduces user fatigue, and its lightweight build makes it easy to handle for extended periods. Though it doesn't include many accessories, its high performance and dependability make it a worthy investment for those who value quality over frills. Avid Power 6.5-amp Router. The Avid Power 6.5-amp Router combines affordability with versatility, making it a fantastic option for beginners and DIY enthusiasts. This router is equipped with a 6.5-amp motor delivering speeds up to 25,000 RPM, ensuring efficient operation for a range of woodworking tasks, from edge trimming to creating decorative patterns. Its compact design, coupled with an ergonomic handle, offers exceptional comfort during prolonged use. Additionally, the router features a built-in dust collection system to keep your workspace tidy, a rare feature at this price point. While it's best suited for light to medium tasks, its combination of performance and budget-friendly pricing makes it an excellent entry-level tool for woodworking projects. Bosch PR20EVS Router. If you're looking for precision and reliability, the Bosch PR20EVS is a standout choice. Powered by a 1 HP motor with a variable speed range of 16,000 to 35,000 RPM, this router is perfect for detailed work and intricate designs. Its durable aluminum base provides stability, while the quick-release depth adjustment system allows for seamless customization. The soft start motor minimizes torque, giving you better control and smoother operation. Despite its higher price point, the Bosch PR20EVS is an investment in premium quality, making it a go-to option for professionals who require accuracy and dependability in their work. Enertwist ET-RT-710S Compact Router. The Enertwist ET-RT-710S is a compact and powerful router designed for versatility and ease of use. It features a 7-amp motor capable of reaching speeds of up to 25,000 RPM, making it suitable for various woodworking tasks, from crafting intricate designs to trimming edges. The router offers adjustable speed settings and an easy-to-use depth adjustment system for precise control. Its lightweight construction and soft grip handle make it a pleasure to use, even for extended periods. While it may not be as robust as some high-end models, it's a solid choice for entry-level and intermediate woodworkers looking for an affordable and functional tool. WEN RT6033. The WEN RT6033 stands out as one of the most versatile routers in its category. With a powerful 15-amp motor and a variable speed range of 8,000 to 23,000 RPM, this router handles everything from delicate details to heavy-duty tasks with ease. It comes equipped with a plunge base, edge guide, and a dust port for added convenience. The built-in LED lights provide excellent visibility in dimly lit areas, and the sturdy construction ensures long-term durability. While it's heavier than some of its counterparts, the WEN RT6033's versatility and comprehensive features make it an excellent value for both beginners and experienced woodworkers. Thank you for watching our comprehensive review of the best budget wood routers. From the precision of the Makita RT0701C to the versatility of the WEN RT6033, there's a perfect router for every skill level and budget. Don't forget to check the description box and pinned comment for direct links to each product and shop with ease. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Tool Mentorship, and turn on the notification bell for more in-depth tool reviews. Let us know in the comments which router you'll be adding to your toolkit, or if you have any questions about the products. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy woodworking!